Alright, guys, please join. Please be fast. Welcome back, everyone. आ जाओ भाई, जल्दी आ जाओ, शाबाश. Please hurry up. Good afternoon, Shilpa. Good afternoon, Alhaj. Good afternoon, Parshuram. Good afternoon, Aniket. Good afternoon, Zainab. It's been a long time we haven't met, isn't it so? Good afternoon, Misna. Good afternoon, Mageshwari. Good afternoon, Bala. Good afternoon, Ananya. Good afternoon, Niranjan. Good afternoon, Aditi. Shahid, I have to prepare my food now prepared. Oh my god. You can have your food along with the class. No problem. Nobody is watching you. Advance wish. Happy New Year. All right. We will do that tonight when we finish the class by 8 p.m., right? Anyhow, same to you. Good afternoon, Sushanta. Hello, Satyaba. चलो start करें. Shall we start? Same to you, Sushanta. Hi, Sandeep. Hi, Saurabh. Let's go. All righty then. Here we go. अंत भला तो सब भला. Sushmita, correct. Today's end will be memorable for you. All right. For you as well, beta. Thank you. Okay. So we have this question from CSAT 2020. Some symbol is given to you like this. All right. So which digit does the symbol represent? Which digit it represents? The answer is given to you amongst the choices. So why don't we try filling in the choices one by one? True. So let us fill up the number given to us in choice A. Now, this is a simple problem which is based on addition. You should never leave out such questions. So I'm just filling in 2 here. So 2, 2, 2 in place of the symbol. All these spaces I have created. All right. Now, if I add 2 and 2, 4 and 2, 6 and 2, 8 and 1 gives me 9. But what is given here? 2 in the units place. So that means the symbol does not represent digit 2. Okay, so we will make a correction here. We know that choice A cannot be the answer. So let's try for the number which is given to us in choice B. Here it is, 3. So let's try 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 1, 13. Yes, matches. So 1 carryover. So 1 plus 1, 2 and 5, 7 and 3, 10 and 3, 13. Yes, so it does match 133. Absolutely. Choice B should be the correct answer. Correct, correct, correct. You got this, you got this. Lovely. Now look at this question of CSAT 2020. He asks you how many zeros are there at the end of the following product. Obviously, you're not going to multiply this, you know. And if at all I would have made this question, I would have given you, one of the choices as 6. Why? Because you would mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see 6 zeros, so you will mark that 6 as the answer, which is not present amongst the choices. So simply, what are we supposed to do here is, I told you at the very beginning of number system that I want you to remember that 5 into 2 is 10. So what we will do is we will factorize these numbers, whatever the numbers are given to us, and we will see how many 5s are there, how many 2s are there. And accordingly, we will decide that 5 into 2 is 10. So every time a number is multiplied with 10, we will get a 0 at the end. So this is 1, 5. This is 5 into 2. This is 5 into 3. This is 5 into 2 into 2. This is 5 square. This is 5 into 2 into 3. 5 into 7. 5 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 into 9. 5 into 5 into 2. 5 into 11. 5 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now, how many 5s are there? Just count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, because this is a square. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 5s are there. Then how many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 10 2s get multiplied with 10 5s. All right. So 10 zeros at the end is what we should get. Yes, sir. Correct. So your answer here should be choice A, that is 10. Saurabh, you will have to post that question. I do not take questions which are, typed or written by students. Don't mind, but it is my experience that, I do not get the full question. You're not giving me the choices also. And you have, restructured or reframed the language of the question. All right. So take the pic of the question, take a picture. All right. Click a picture and then post it. I will take it. Akshay, Shilpa, do you understand that we have factorized each of these numbers? Yes? Okay. Then do you understand that we have counted the number of fives? There are 14 fives. And we counted the number of twos. There are 10 twos. Do you see this? 5 into 2 is 10. So definitely there are 10 fives and there are 10 twos. When they get multiplied with each other, we will get 10 zeros. Okay, tell me how much is 5 into 2? 10. How much is 5 into 2 into 5 into 2? 100. How much is 5 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 5 into 2? 1000. 1, 2, 3 fives. 1, 2, 3 twos. So we have 3 zeros. Got it down? Okay. All right, sir. We have graduated on to CSAT 2023. Now, here you have to crack this question, and this is a very simple question which is based on common sense. All right. So, this is more of a reasoning question, actually. So let me just tell you about this question. Raj has 10 pairs of red, 9 pairs of white, and 8 pairs of black shoes in a box. So there is a box. It has 10 pairs of red, 9 pairs of white, 8 pairs of black shoes. Now, if he randomly means in any order. Okay, randomly means in any order without looking at the box or inside the box. He's not looking and he's picking up like this one, two, three, like that. So he's randomly picking shoes one by one without replacement, and he's not replacing them also. He's not putting them and then taking another one from the box to get a red pair of shoes to wear. He wants to wear a red pair of shoes. So, what is the maximum number of attempts he has to make? Saurabh, you will have to post to IS Live whatever queries that you have. They will forward it to me. No, no, very much. Saurabh, you can send it. On this chat also, you can send it. Not an issue. So, we have 10 reds. And these are what pairs? A pair consists of two shoes. So total number of shoes will be how much? Because he's not picking up shoes in pairs. He's picking them one by one. Huh? So there are obviously 20 shoes, 10 into 2. Then there are 9 whites. So that means he's got 18 shoes. And then he's got 8 blacks, which means 16 shoes. Okay. Now, I want you people to tell me, Dikshit, hold on. I want you people to tell me one thing. What does a pair of shoes consist of? Well, it consists of a shoe which can be worn, let us say, in left foot, and one can be worn in right foot. Can you do the opposite? Can you do the opposite? Can you wear the left shoe in the right shoe? You can't. So a pair here consists of a shoe which can be worn in left foot and another one which can be worn in right shoe. Now he has got all these shoes. Now maximum number of attempts, actually, when he is asking you, he is basically asking you the worst case scenario. So such kind of questions are based on worst case scenarios. What is the worst that can happen to you? How unfortunate Raj could be while picking up the shoes. That is how he would like to have maximum number of attempts. I also call these questions Gabbar questions. Gabbar, kitne aadmi the? Gabbar, right? So let us imagine that you are Raj and Gabbar is standing behind you, besides you. Now he's standing beside you and he's putting a gun at your head. And he has given you this question: 10 pairs of red shoes, 9 pairs of white shoes, and 8 pairs of black shoes. And he is asking you, what is the maximum number of attempts that you want? Maximum number of picks one by one, so that you are able to provide him with one pair of red shoes that he can wear. All right, red shoes to wear. Okay. So now, why this is worst case scenario? Because if you tell Gabbar only two chances I want, then maybe the first two picks will not provide you with a pair of red shoes. Okay. So what is the worst that can happen to you? Now you look at all these except red, white and blue. In total are 34 shoes. So the worst case scenario is you keep on picking up shoes, and first 34 shoes that you have picked up are all whites and all blacks. That is, you have picked up 18 white shoes and 16 black shoes. That is the worst possible thing that can happen to you. Now, when you have 10 red pair of shoes, that is 20 shoes, out of these, there will be 10 which can be worn in left shoe, in left foot, and 10 can be worn on the right foot. Now again, you are unlucky and you pick up 10 shoes. All the shoes actually happen to be the ones that can be worn only in one foot. Let us say 10 shoes for left foot. So you have picked up now 44 shoes. Okay. So there were only 10 shoes which could be worn on left foot. Now there are only 10 shoes which are remaining. Which are those? Those which are remaining in the box are only 10 shoes which can be worn on the right foot. So obviously this one now that you pick up, this is going to be a red shoe which can be worn on the right foot. So that is in total 45 attempts are required. That is a maximum attempt. So you will ask him, you will tell Gabbar, give me 45 attempts. I promise you, I'll get you a pair of red shoe. So you can take less than 45 also, but maximum that you want to save your life because he's put a gun on your head. So to save your life, you want a maximum 45 attempts. All right, then definitely you will get one pair of red shoe. You get this? You get this? So this is why it is called worst case scenario. I'll do that, Sandeep. I'll do that. So I start from the beginning. There are 10 red, 9 white, and 8 black pairs of shoes, and a pair consists of two shoes. One that can be worn in the left foot, and the other which can be worn on the right foot. These two cannot be interchanged. Okay. And Raj wants to pick shoes one by one, he's picking up, and then he wants a red pair of shoes to wear. He wants to wear them. Okay. To wear, he has to wear one on the left and the other on the right. Okay. And what is the maximum number of attempts he has to make? Maximum. See, minimum will be two. If he is lucky, he picks up two shoes. One that can be one on the right foot, other which can be one on the left foot, and both are red. If he is lucky, first two attempts only he will get the red pair of shoes. But then he is not lucky, no. The whole point here is you want to determine maximum number of attempts to ensure, to guarantee that for sure now you will get a red pair of shoes which can be worn, which he can wear. So red pair of shoes which he can wear means one on the left foot, the other on the right foot. Clear? So let us say that he keeps on picking up shoes one by one and he picks up 34 shoes, 18 whites and 16 blacks. That is the worst thing that can happen. That in his first 34 picks, there is not even a single red shoe. All 18 white shoes he's picking up and all 16 black shoes he's picking up. All right, that is the worst that can happen to him. Now, after that, what is left in the box? 10 pairs of red shoes, that is 20 shoes. 10 left foot, 10 right foot. Again, when he starts picking up these red shoes, let us say he picks up 10 shoes which can be worn on the same foot, let us say left foot. So 10 left he has picked up. Now he has picked up total 44 shoes. Now how many shoes are left in the box? 10 right foot shoes are left in the box. Obviously now in his 45th attempt when he picks up a shoe from the box, it is going to be a red shoe which can be worn on the right foot. All right, left foot, he's already got these 10, no? He has already picked up these 10, which can be worn on the left foot. Now he wants the one which can be worn on the right foot. So there are going to be maximum 45 attempts to ensure or to guarantee one pair of red shoes which Raj can wear, one in his left foot and the other in his right foot. Now is this clear, Sandeep? I'm coming to that, Aniket. Don't worry. All right. Now the question here is maximum number or minimum number. So please do not be bothered about words like maximum, minimum, smallest, greatest. It is the worst case scenario. That is it. All right. Okay. Minimum cannot guarantee, no. Minimum also again is going to be 40, 45 only, no. All right. Minimum and maximum are same here. So please know maximum and minimum number of attempts are the same. So are smallest number of attempts and greatest number of attempts. These are all same. So don't be bothered about the word maximum, minimum, smallest, greatest. It doesn't matter. All mean the same. It is ultimately worst case scenario. Worst to worst, what can happen? Okay. And again, I repeat, it's a Gabbar question where Gabbar is putting, he has, he's holding a gun at your head, pointing at your head. What will you tell him if this is you and you have to pick up? How many attempts will you demand from Gabbar if you want to save your life? Tell me. Okay, that is maximum also, that is minimum also. He says maximum how many attempts you want, you will say 45. And he will say, if he asks you how many minimum number of attempts you want, again you will say 45. Because in the 45th attempt only, you will ensure that Raj can wear a red pair of shoes. All right. Who is Gabbar? Oh, watch Sholay. If you haven't watched Sholay, then you will know that Gabbar was the most dreaded and most feared dacoit. Hmm? That is why I am taking his name. A psychopath. Yes, Aniket. All right. So these worst case scenario questions have been asked two times. There were two questions. One is this, which I am showing you now, and another one here. Let's have a look at this also. Now he says a box contains 14 black balls. So you have how many? 14 black, 20 blue. So 20 blue, 26 green. So 26 green, 28 yellow, 28 yellow, 38 red, 38 red, and 54 white, and 54 white balls. These are balls now. And balls obviously have no left and right. Shoes have. Okay, that is why we had to consider that. Now, this is a different case. So tell me, what is the total number of balls, by the way? How many balls are there in total? Please tell me. Add up and tell me. Hey, come on, add up fast. Tell me. Total number of balls. Why are you taking so much of time? Yes, 180 it is. So there are 180 balls in total. Okay. Now he's saying consider the following statements. Now he says smallest number. It is same as I told you before. Smallest or greatest, maximum or minimum. They're all the same. So ignore this word smallest or greatest or maximum or minimum. Smallest number n, such that any n balls are drawn from the box randomly, must contain one full group of at least one color, is 175. Again, Gabbar, this murderer is standing at your head and he's pointing a gun at you. And he's saying, Boss, these are 180 balls I'm giving you. 14 black, 20 blue, 26 green, and blah, blah, blah. You have to make sure that you pick up balls so that you have at least one group of same color. That is, either you have 14 blacks, or you have 20 blues, or you have 26 greens, or you have 28 yellows, or you have 38 red, or you have 54 white. All right. And then he says, what is the smallest number of attempts that you want to ensure, to guarantee that you will have one group of same color balls? See, if you're lucky, then first 14 balls that you pick, maybe they work out to be black. But you're not, no. A gun is pointed at your head. So you want to be doubly sure. You want to give him a guarantee, because what is the number, whatever the number that you give him, he's not going to give you more than that number of chances. Okay. So what is the worst that can happen to you? Tell me. Which which color has maximum number of balls? Tell me which color has maximum number of balls out of black, blue, green, yellow, red, white? Which color has maximum number of balls here? As it is white. This is one thing that you must notice. Now you are so unlucky that you picked up 13 balls. Okay. And those 13 balls worked out to be black. All right. One black is remaining in the box. The next 19 balls that you picked up, they all turned out to be blue. You picked up 19 blue. Okay. So let us say picked and remaining in the box. So you picked up 13 blacks, one black is remaining in the box, and you pick up 19 blues. That is, one blue is remaining in the box. Still, you are not getting one full group of same color. Then you went about picking up more number of balls, and the next 25 balls that you picked up were all green. Okay, and one green is still left, because 26 then onwards, then whatever that you were picking up, next 27 picks were yellow. So one yellow is remaining in the box. The next 37 picks were all red balls. So one red ball is still remaining in the box. And next 53 that you have picked up are all white. That means one white is also remaining. So how many balls are remaining now? 6 balls are remaining. One of each color. Correct? So 180 minus 6, you have taken 174 attempts as of now. Now this 175th attempt that you make, in your 175th pick, you will pick either one black, this one black, or one blue, or one green, one yellow, or one red, or one white. Whichever that you pick will complete the group of that color. Is it or not? Whichever ball that you pick will complete the group of that color. So it is the 175th attempt, you know, so that it must contain at least one ball of each color. So now we've got one ball here of, sorry, my bad, not this one. Sorry. So it must contain one full group of at least one color. So 175 is the minimum that you want. That's what you will tell Gabbar. Okay. What if six balls remain in the box, one ball of each color? Well, that will be 174 attempts are wasted, you have failed. But 175th attempt, sure, it will complete one group of same color. Is this clear? So this is definitely correct. One is definitely correct. Now look at second. 175 attempts are required. We just found out. Second, smallest number, ignore smallest. M, such that any M balls drawn from the box randomly must contain at least one ball of each color. All right, and that is 167. All right. He's saying at least one ball of each color. We want at least one ball of each color. Okay. So now here, if Gabbar is standing at your head and pointing a gun, then you will have to calculate that you want a maximum number of attempts because you want to be safe. Okay. You want to be safe. So you want maximum number of attempts. You will not ask him 180 attempts. No, not 180 attempts. That means you're picking up all the balls. So the smallest is you that you will tell him is minimum that I want is 167. Is it correct or not? 167 attempts to ensure what? One ball of each color. So there will be at least one ball of black, blue, green, yellow, red, white. Okay, definitely. Now, what is the worst thing that can happen to you? What bad can happen with you? Hmm? See, the bad that can happen with you here is a simple thing that you pick up all the balls here. Okay, all the balls you have picked up here, except black. Why except black? Because black balls are the least in number. They are just 14. So out of 180 balls, you pick up the remaining 166 balls. Alright, you don't have to add them, no. You know that there are 14 black. So 180 minus 14 is 166. Okay. So that means 14 black balls remain in the box. Okay. Now 167th attempt means you will pick one black ball. So now you have a ball belonging to each color. Now some of you might think, sir, why not white? With white you are reducing your number of attempts, no? 180 minus 54 is 126. So 127th attempt. What if it is not whites? If it is black? Huh? So what will you tell Gabbar? What will you tell him? Bhaiya, give me 167 attempts. I promise you that you will have one ball of each color. Yes, it is. Akshay, you have to use your brains. So very true. It is the 167th attempt in which you can ensure one ball of each color. So even 2 is correct. So choice C should be your answer. But interesting one, and Gabbar is leading the show. Okay. See, what is this? This is just a simple IQ level based question, isn't it? So, guys, girls, please know this that as an IAS, IPS, IRS, IFS, whatever you want to become as an officer, almost every minute you would be taking decisions. Okay. So basically, CSAT examination is nothing but it is test of your IQ level. It tests your IQ level basically. All right. So your IQ is tested, so that how good a decision maker you will be in very small time, and that is why in just 1 to 1.5 minutes you have to solve such questions. Now, what should you do with such question in the examination? Now, my answer is not only this question, any question that you are not able to solve within 1.5 minutes, you leave it. How will you come to know whether a question is difficult, or you should not be attempting it, or you should put it towards the last of your attempts? First, by looking at the length of the question. It's very lengthy, a lot of statements are there. Maybe we'll read it later on. We may have 1 or 2 liners or 3 lines of questions. So preferably, they'll take less time to read and understand. So longer length of questions should be postponed towards the end. Now, towards the end, you have time left with you. So again, you go back to such questions. So my point is, unless you read a question, you will not be able to determine whether the question is tough or it is easy. All right. Whether you have solved a similar kind of a question before while practicing. Okay. Or whether it consists of, it is based on a simple concept. Unless you read the question, you will not know. So reading the question itself will take some time. Okay. And if at all you choose not to attempt that question, then definitely that time is lost. All right. So my suggestion is, please install that 1.5 minute period in your biological clock. And that's why I told you yesterday also that you should be putting a 1.5 minute timer. Okay. And then you should be solving question. And then see where you are or where you stand in 1.5 minutes. And let me tell you that it is a gradual process. It will not happen overnight. You'll have to have patience and practice a lot so as to enable yourself to solve questions within 1.5 minutes, or to read the question and maybe while solving midway you disconnect with the question because you don't have any clue, because you're not able to solve it. In CSAT examination, as important it is to select a question, similarly it is important to reject a question. All right. So you must attempt at least 55 questions out of 80, which means you have a scope of leaving out 25 questions. Okay. So you keep on pushing the questions towards the end. Make sure that you go through the paper page by page. And maybe the question which is easy is lying on the 10th page. You must start with that question. So let us say on the 10th page, there is a question which is based on coding and decoding. And you love coding and decoding. I mean, you are very confident that you can solve a question on coding and decoding. So then you would rather start with that question on coding and decoding, which is given on 10th page, rather than starting with question from the first, second, third, fourth page. No. Keep on flipping the pages. Look for the questions that provide you with comfort. You need a good start. So good start, it is said, a good start is half job done. Almost there. Okay. So it is very important for you. So this way, maybe you could have maybe shifted this question towards the end. But it is my job to get you acquainted with this kind of problems as well. Okay. So that is why we should know how to solve such question. Elimination method. Yes, very true, Akshay. Right? Let's move on. Now we are talking about only CSAT questions. CSAT 2023 questions. Lots of questions came. No, this was an easy question. This was an easy question which came. Choose the group which is different from others. That means 3 groups of numbers have some similarity between them, and there is another group, fourth group, which does not have the same characteristic which is common or shared by the other 3 groups. All right. So tell me, what is your answer? Very good, Shilpa. That was really fast. Lovely. No Parshuram, no Prithvi. Yes, Vaishnavi. No Blesslands. Yes, Akshay. Correct. No Bharti, no Shahid. Yes, Vera. Yera. No Branjeet. Brajneet. No Dipinder. No Akshay. No difference of 8. See, you can't choose a group because of some characteristic that group possesses. No. Listen to me carefully. Okay. This is a question which is based on classification or odd one out. Okay. So know this. So here, three groups share a common pattern, or let us say a characteristic, which the fourth group does not have or does not possess. Okay. So, what is common in three groups? Oh my God, you should have seen. All these consist of numbers which are prime numbers. And this group has 91 in it, which is not a prime number. Do you remember the very first page of number system when I told you that you must remember 5 into 2 is 10 and also 91 is 13 into 7. Do you remember this? 91 is equal to 13 into 7. Do you remember me telling you even yesterday also, you know, and today, me telling you this that 91 is one of the favorite numbers of the CSAT paper setter? Do you remember me mentioning this number to you? Yes? Yes or no? Tell me. So look out for this number, my dear one. Okay. So these are 17, 37, 47, 97. All are prime numbers. 31, 41, 53, 67. All are prime numbers. 71, 73, 79, 83 are prime numbers. Okay. And when I gave you the prime numbers yesterday, I expected that you would memorize them yesterday itself. And 83, 89, 97 are prime numbers, but 91 is not a prime number. So that is what makes it different from the other three groups which are based on prime numbers. So hope you got this. Okay. All right. Let x be a positive integer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 such that 7x plus 96 is divisible by x. How many values of x are possible? Now, before you actually do this question, let me just give you some basics. It's just observation based. You don't have to do much here. So let us say I give you a number, 5x plus y is divisible by 5. I'm telling you this. I'm telling you this that 5x plus y is divisible by 5. Now this expression has, let us say, two parts. You have 5x and you also have y. So there are two numbers given here. Okay. As you can see, there are two numbers in this expression. So if 5x plus y is divisible by x, okay, or sorry, if 5x plus y is divisible by 5, this means that 5x is divisible by 5. Obviously, 5x has 5 in it, no? 5 multiplied by x is going to be divisible by 5. And also, y is divisible by 5. अब बताओ मुझे, tell me. 5x is divisible by 5. Let us say it is 20. Plus another number gives you a number which is divisible by 5. तो यहां पर क्या आएगा? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. What will you add to 20 to get a number which is divisible by 5? You will add 5, or you will add 10, or you will add 15, because 20 is divisible by 5. So 20 plus the other number, it gives you a number which is divisible by 5, so the other number also has to be divisible by 5. So I hope this is clear. No, Akshay, it doesn't. It doesn't. There are 3 groups which have differences of 8, and there is only one group which has difference of 8. So I told you very clearly, it is written that 3 groups share a common pattern. Huh? Yes or no? But here it does not work out like that. Where is difference of 8, by the way? What was your answer, Akshay? For this question, what was your answer? Tell me first. D. Why? This is difference of 8. So what? Here the difference of 8. Again. Then. But here there is a difference of 22. And here there is a difference of 30. You should have a common characteristic between 3 groups. And the fourth group, which is different from others, is the one which does not have that common characteristic which is shared by the 3 groups. There is nothing common here. So what? Then A is the answer, because 17, 47, 30 is a difference, and no other group has first and third number difference as 30. Common characteristic. There has to be a commonality. That is important. So coming back to this, 5x plus y is divisible by 5 means 5x is divisible by 5 and y should also be divisible by 5. Get this? All right. So if I say 7x plus 96 is divisible by x, it means both 7x and 96 are divisible by x. So do you get this? You get this? 7x anyhow is divisible by 5 by x. No, 7x by x, x cancels. All right. But 96 is also divisible by x. Now he is asking you how many values of x are possible. Means how many numbers divide 96, or what is the total number of factors of 96, because 7x is already divisible by x and 7x plus 96 is divisible by x means 96 is divisible by x, right? As I have written there, means 96 is divisible by x. So what are the values of x? So simply the values of x here, my dear, have to be the factors of 96. So what is the total number of factors of 96? So one way is, you can just find out 1 into 96 is 96. 2 into 48 will be 96. What else? It is divisible by 3 also, no? So 3 into 32, it is divisible by 4 also. Okay. So 4 into 24, not divisible by 5. Is it divisible by 6? Yes, 6 ones are 6. Okay. And 6 6 are 36. Divisible by 7? No. Divisible by 8? Yes. So 8 ones are 8 and 8 twos are 16. 12 eights are 96 here. Okay. Divisible by 9? No. Divisible by 10? No. Divisible by 11? No. Divisible by 12 we have taken. So what are the values that it can have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 twos are 12. Ah. Also, I take this opportunity to describe to you how to find out the number of factors of a number. All right. So find out the number of factors of 24. How many factors does number 24 have? All right. So what I will do is see as it is 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6. So total 8. What actual way is also this that you will prime factorize 24. You know it is 8 threes are 24. So it is 2 cube into 3 raised to 1. Okay. I want you to notice the powers of the prime factors. Power of 2 is 3 and power of 3 is 1. Okay. So now here number of factors will be just increase the powers by 1. 2 has power of 3, increase it by 1, it becomes 4. 3 has power of 1, increase it by 1. So directly 4 twos are 8. This way you will not forget a pair. And pairs we don't require, we directly want to know this. Okay. So I say if a number x is equal to, let us say, a raised to p into q raised, no, sorry, a raised to p into b raised to q into c raised to r, okay, then number of factors will be equal to, look at the powers of ABC, PQR, increase each of these by 1, P plus 1 into Q plus 1 into R plus 1. That is it. Okay, so let me give you another example. Let us take another example. Let us take another example. Okay. Find out the number of factors of 36. Find out the number of factors of 36. Alhaj, just see though. Evidently, I've told you everything here. Just see, no. See, it is normal. First time you will understand maybe 50-60%. Then if you do it again, revise again, then you will be able to understand 20 more percent, then 20 more percent, like that. Lovely. Now see here, 36. How do you factorize 36? It is 2 square into 3 square. Yep. So number of factors is going to be, this is what, 2, this is also 2, no? So 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1. That is 3 into 3. 9 factors. So 36 is divisible by 9 numbers. So how many of values of x are possible means how many numbers divide 6, or what is the total number of factors of 96. So that we have found out here manually as 12, or with this process also we have found out that is to be 12. Now see here, here we will find out. Okay, 96 I haven't found out with this method. 96, Factorize this. You should know this is what? Uh, 32 threes are, right? Is it or not? So this is 2 to the power of 5 into 3 to the power of 1. Okay, consider only the powers here. So 5 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 6 into 2. That is total 12 factors. All right, clear? Himanshu, we are factorizing it. 16 into 6. 6 again has 2. All right. It has 3 twos. 8 twos are 16. 8 has 3 twos. Okay. 16 into 6. So 6 has a 2 in it. No. So 16 has 2 to the power of 4. Okay. So 16 into 6. This is 2 to the power of 4 into 2 to the power of 1 into 3 to the power of 1. Again, it will be 2 to the power of 5 into 3 to the power of 1. Same only, no? Clear? Is this clear? So the questions were many and they were little tricky, but you have to hold on to yourself. Now, if PQRS are distinct means different, single digit positive numbers, then what is the greatest value of P plus Q into R plus S? You want greatest value for P plus Q into R plus S. Yes, correct. It gives you quick results. Correct, Akshay. Yeah, Ananya, it is 6 square, but I'm asking you the number of factors I asked you, no? And 6 square, if it is, so 6 is one factor, no? You can't say 36 is divided by 6 and 6. 6 will be counted only once, no? You want the greatest value of P plus Q into R plus S. Alright, and PQRS are what? Single digit positive numbers. Single digit. What are single digit positive numbers? They are 1, 2, 9. And you want the greatest value. So, what values will you assign to PQRS? What values will you assign to PQRS? Tell me. Last 4 digits, yes. 9876. Highest is 9, so I went in descending order 9876. No, Sonu, not 9999. Distinct. He says different. It's written. Read the question carefully. Okay. So, what all can you do here for this? P plus Q into R plus S. So can I have it as 9 plus 8 into 7 plus 6? What do I get? That is 17 into 13. All right, 13 sevens are 91. Remember always remember. 13 sevens are 91. 9 remaining, 13 ones are 13 plus 9, 22. So 221. 221 is there. So it is my answer. Huh? Why you did not try otherwise? 251 is not given amongst the choices also, Shilpa. Hence proved that it is wrong. Akshay, in fact, you should have posted your answer. Why did you take 4 plus 7 into 5 plus 6 when you want the maximum value? So you people tried only once. So that is why. Let us change the numbers, sir. Let us change the numbers. 9 plus 7 into 8 plus 6. I'm interchanging these two. So what is this? 16 into 14. 16 fours are 64. 16 ones are 16 plus 6. 22. Arey Baba, 224 is also there amongst the choices. Alright, and it is a greater value than 221. So as I'm getting 224, D is out. Arey Baba, once you have combined 9 with 8, then in this you have combined 9 with 7. Okay. Now this time combine 9 with 6. 15 into 15, which is a square. Sir, B is the answer. Gaurav got it. See? Again you got 24, 224. Himanshu, 235 is not there amongst the choices. Now you got 225. So it is important for you to know that whenever you are solving questions, take all the let us say pairs that can be formed here. See, 9 here is combined with 8, 9 is combined with 7, then 9 is combined with 6. So try out for all the combinations. Take every possibility into account. Okay. All right. Before I solve the next question, I want to know whether you know what is 111 square. I'm going to discuss similar kind of questions, Alhaj. Let us first of all solve them, and then later you try. After that, you try. Okay. Are Gaurav, 11 square is 121, Babu. All right. So all these numbers, they consist of ones. Okay. So when you have numbers which consist of only ones, like 111 has only one, and this number has only ones, right? And you have to find its square. Then just simply count the number of ones. Simply count the number of ones. Okay. How many ones are there? Please tell me. The first question. 1, 2, 3. So you please write counting from 1, 2, 3. And then in reverse. 2, 1. Don't repeat 3. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Over. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get it? Get it? Tell me for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tell me for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Discount. Got it? All right. Now tell me for this one. 1, 2. Come on, come on. Hmm. You got this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones are there. Isn't it so? So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can't perform this calculation on calculator also. It will show you an E. Get this? No, Abhinav, then we will leave. We know only till 9. Alright? And question will be asked only till 9. If at all it is asked, like here it is. Once again, CSAT 2023, the question is each digit of a 9-digit number is 1. Stop. So what is the number he's asking you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Each digit of a 9, this is 9-digit number, each digit is 1. It is multiplied by itself. If a number is multiplied by itself, x is multiplied by itself, it becomes x square. So square. What is the sum of the digits of the resulting number? Tell me the sum of the digits here. What is the sum of the digits here? Tell me the sum of digits. 9, huh? Okay. Tell me the sum of digits here. Second question. Must be 16. Second question I'm saying. No 81. Array, from where are you getting 81? 3, Himanshu, what are you doing? Acha, acha. You're giving me the answer for the question. Okay, good. All right, good. Okay. So what are the sum of these? 1, 2, 3, 25, no? Hold on. No, don't add this. Don't add this. Now, what did you notice? How many digit number is this? 3-digit number. 3 square is 9. How many digit number is this? 4-digit number. 4 square is 16. How many digit number is this? 5. So 5 square is 25. Instead of adding all these numbers, simply know this is a 6-digit number. So the total sum here must be 6 square, that is 36. Similarly, this is a 7-digit number. So the total sum here must be 7 square, and that is 49. So here, this is a 9-digit number already told to you. So sum here, you don't even have to open this. Sum is going to be 9 square, which is 81. That's it. It's as simple as that. Who will keep on adding so many numbers here? 9 and 8, 17 digits you will have to add. 17 numbers of digits. Got this? Now, this was one of the easiest questions. And trust me, guys, just sharing with you, it's been, almost, I think, 26 years that I have been teaching this 111 square, 1111 square kind of things. And finally a question came on this. Now, in the same regard, I just want you to find out how much is 10101 square. How much is 10101 square? Hurry up. No. But that is very long, Abhinav. Sum of 9 initial numbers is 9 into 10 by 2 you will do. Alright? So you will get a 45. And sum of 8 initial numbers you need not find. No. 45 minus 9. Directly you take 36. And 45 plus 36 is 81. Rather than that, 9-digit number. You don't even have to write down till 9. And then followed by 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're wasting your time. Not wrong. But what is the use if you're taking half a minute extra or 1 minute extra? No, Susmita. It cannot end in zero, no. All right. How many ones do you see? Three ones do you see, no? You see three ones. Okay. So just write 1, 2, 3 for three ones. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. See, if this would have been 1, 1, 1 square, then you would have written it like this, no? Correct? Now what happened from 1, 1 to the second one? When you move from 1, 1 to the second one, what do you see? You see a 0 in between. Now, when you move from the second to the third one, what do you see? You see a 0 in between. Answer. Done. Okay, let me ask you, how much is 11 square? How much is 11 square? Come on, guys, hurry up. You need to type fast. So many of you are not typing. I'm noticing you. I'll report you to UPSC. That this guy, this person, was not typing in my class. So it is 1, 2, 1. And if I make it 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, over. How much is 11 square? 1, 2, 1. And if I put two zeros in between, put two zeros. Easy peasy. So how much is 1, 1, 1, 1 square? Tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. And if I put a 0 in between, then 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 3, 0, 2, 0, 1. Easy, no? So this is a process for this much. All right, sir? Anyhow, let's move forward. Let PPQQRR be two-digit numbers where P is less than Q is less than R. So this is given. P is less than Q is less than R. This is PPQQRR. Now PP plus QQ plus RR is equal to a number TT0 where TT0 is a three-digit number ending with 0. This is 0. Now, whatever the statements might be given to you, you have to find out the values of P, values of Q. My question is PP, QQ, RR. The sum here is TT0. What does it mean? It means that P plus Q plus R gives you a number which ends in 0, yes or no? Simple addition only I'm talking there. I'm not doing anything else. I'm just talking addition. If PP plus QQ plus RR is equal to TT0, it means P plus Q plus R is equal to a number which ends in 0. Yes or no? Correct? Okay. So it clearly means that P plus Q plus R can be equal to 10. See, also, please don't forget, P is less than Q, Q is less than R. I can have something like 1 plus 2 plus 7. That is equal to 10. And more values also. Okay. Also, P plus Q plus R can also be equal to 20. It's not necessarily that a number ending with 0 is only 10. Even 20 is that number. Yes or no? Well, I can have something like 5, 7, 8. 5 plus 7 plus 8. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. Why not? But can I have P plus Q plus R equal to 30? Can I have this? See, here P is less than Q is less than R. That means P, Q, R are distinct, three distinct digits. Even if they would have been the same, then the maximum value that you will give assigned to them is 9. And 9 3 is 27. Maximum value of a digit from 1 to 9 can only be 9, no? Then also it is 27. How can it be 30? It cannot be. Okay. So these are the two possibilities for which now we will find out, the various values. Let's do it. So give me three numbers starting with 1. Let's start with 1. No, let's start with 1. What could be the other two numbers that give me a sum of 9 so that I get 10 here? 1 plus 2 is 3. Can I have a 7 here? All right. Oh my God, Ravi. Good, you corrected yourself, son. So 1 plus 2 plus 7. You can also have 1 plus 3 plus 6. This is also 10. What a simple thing now you're doing here, nothing. Huh? You can also have 1 plus 4 plus 5. What else is possible? Tell me. No, with 1, P as 1, I don't have anything else. See, also I know P is less than Q, Q is less than R. We have to maintain this condition. Okay. So now the next value of P, which I am assuming is 2. So Q plus R should be 8, but I can't have 4, 4. All right. So 2 greater than 2 is 3. So I can have 2 plus 3 plus 5. Next, can I have 2 and 4? No. 2, 4, 2 plus 4 we can't have. No. Same values we can't have. So let me take the value of P here as 3. Then this next value is 4. 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 3 is 10. No. R is the greatest value. So can't have this also. Go over. Over. Now let's try here. Here, can I have the value 3? I can't have the value as 1. No. 1 plus 19 is 20. Sum of two digits can never be 19. No. 9 plus 9 itself is 18. And 2 also is again 2 plus 18. I can't have 18 there. 9 plus 9. All right. Q is less than R. So here 3 I'm taking as a value. So Q plus R must be 17 because I want the sum to be 20. All right. So can I have it as 8 plus 9? 8 plus 9 is 17. All right. So with 3, I cannot go beyond this. So has to be 4 now. Okay. 4 plus 5 I can't have. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 11. 11 cannot be the value of R. 4 plus 6 is 10. I can't have the value of R as 10. These are digits, not numbers. So it has to be 4 plus 7 plus 9. Correct? Then can I have it as 5? 5 plus 15. So 5 plus 7 plus 8. So can I have the value of P as 6? 6 plus 14. 6 plus 7 plus 7? No, not done. That's it. This is all that we have here. Nothing else can be done. So find out the values for P. P has what values? See, here it has, P has value 1, it has 2, it has 3, here it has 4, and it has 5. So it can have 5 values. So the number of possible values of P is 5 is absolutely correct. Okay. And how many values for Q? Q कितना है यहाँ पे? Well, you have Q here as 2, 3, 4, 3 गया, right? Then you have the value as 7, you have the value as 8. Is that all? Can't have any other value. Huh? I think we should have had another value. Value. I could have here, no. We can have this, no? 5 plus 6 plus 9. 5 plus 6 is 11 plus 9. So 2, 3, 4, 6 also can be had. No? 6, 7, 8. Right? So that is 6 values. Number of values of Q is 6. So these are all mathematical puzzles actually. Does not involve any formula or something. He's just playing around with the values of the numbers. I mean, first thing that he tested was whether you could catch that if P plus Q plus R is equal to a number which ends in 0, can you actually catch that P plus Q plus R apart from being 10 can also be equal to 20? So this is what is tested, sir. Seedhi baat, if at all you get the question within 1.5 minutes, good. If you can't, move on. But obviously, if you keep on leaving out questions, then you will be sitting free after 1 hour. Right? Number of attempts will not be achieved. So what should be done? Well, practice, my dear. This is the level now which has been prescribed. Okay, this is the level which is now required by CSAT. CSAT has declared that this is how tough the questions are going to be. So you will have to make sure that you come to this particular level if you want to qualify. Can we directly place those values and evaluate? No. He's just telling you this is the number of values. Value is equal to 5. No, we are not putting in 5. The number of values is 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, number of values here are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you will have to form all these, maybe, combinations of numbers. Yashwant, I'm really sorry. It is not my responsibility. Just put in a mail to your Spock. Okay. Okay, moving ahead. कौन सा क्वेश्चन ये था ना? हाँ. Aha, simple little star. 3 of the 5 positive integers PQRST are even and 2 are odd. 3 evens, 2 odds. Not necessarily in order. Consider the following. P plus Q plus R minus S minus T is definitely even. 2P plus Q plus 2R minus 2S plus T is definitely odd. See, here, if you are aware of the very basics which are there, see, you should know these. Even plus minus even number will always give you an even number. 8 plus 6, 14 even. 8 minus 6, 2 even. Even plus minus odd. And the other way around. Odd plus minus even. This is odd. Odd plus minus even is also odd. But odd plus minus odd must give us even. This should be known. Acha, Shivani is confessing something. She's confessing by mistake. I got correct answer. But you're honest. Good. Acha. Apart from these addition and subtraction, you should know about multiplications also. Even into even obviously is even. Even into any number is even. Even into odd will also give us even. And odd into odd will give us odd number. So if you are aware of these things, life is good, sir. And these are very, very basics. Very, very basics. Okay, now answer my questions really fast. Then you will be able to solve this really fast. Okay. If I give you two numbers, both are even. If I give you two numbers, both are even. Then you add them or subtract them. What will be your answer? Nature of the answer, even or odd? No, I'm saying I will add or subtract. I will do any of these. All right. What will be your answer? Even or odd? Even. Good. Now let us say I have two evens and two odds. Okay. I put plus minus between them. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? No, sir. It will always be even. It will always be even. It will always be even. Okay. Any order, you pick up two evens, pick up two odds. Okay. So 10, 4 plus 6 is 10, minus 1 is 9, minus 3 is 6. Whichever way you want to use it. It will always be even. If it is greater than 0, if it is greater than 0, it is always even. Please know this. Are between two odds, here you see, no? You put plus or minus, you will definitely get even only, no? Okay, and here even plus minus odd is also giving you odd. Again, even plus minus odd is also giving you odd. And between odd and odd, plus minus is also giving you even. Whichever way you go, you would definitely get even. Okay. Now, three evens and two odds, you tell me. Two evens and two odds, what is your answer? Even. Now, if I give you another even, three evens and two odds, what is your answer? Tell me. Even only. When two evens and two odds is even, okay, then three evens and two odds will also be even. One even you are increasing, no. Clear? Two evens give you even. Two odds give you even. Even and even give you even. With another even, it will give you even. Two even and two odd in any order, they're going to give you even. What is it that you have not understood? Tell me, Sushmita. I've taken the numbers also. These are even numbers. These are odd numbers. Do it any way that you want to. See, it is given no. Two odds will have ultimately two odds could be added or could be subtracted. It will give you an even number only. Yeah. Yes, Dipender. Yes, yes, yes. Once again, I ask you two even and two odds. Please type again. What is the nature of the number given to you? What will you get? Even or odd? Whether you put addition, whether you conduct addition or subtraction between them, it doesn't matter in any order. What will you get? Even or odd? You will get even. So three evens and two odds. You're just increasing this by an even. No. Even plus minus even is again even. No. Four evens and two odds. Again even. Five evens and two odds. Again even. With two odds. Because two odds give you even. Okay. But just see here. Two evens and one odd definitely gives you odd. Even and even will give you even. Even and odd will give you odd. Okay. So two evens and three odds will always give you an odd. Because two even and two odds is even. Now, if you are adding another odd here, then even and odd will give you odd. Two even, two odd. Even. If you are adding another odd here, two even and three odd will give you even plus odd, plus minus odd. Even plus minus odd is odd only. So two evens and five odds obviously again give you odd. Because odd plus even is odd. Odd minus even is odd. Okay. So you don't need to take any values here. You have three evens and two odds. It is definitely even. And here you can't say. Is it definitely odd? 2p, 2r, 2s are definitely even. Well, any number which is multiplied with 2 is going to be an even number, yes or no? Huh? And let us say these are odd numbers, q and t. Again, what do you get? Three evens and two odds. Three evens and two odds should give you even. So not definitely odd. Not definitely odd. It could be even also. Second one is wrong. First one is correct. Choice A is the answer. Umang, we got first one correct. Where are you? Ah, now you got it. In which case is it always even, Shivani? Which case are you talking about? Dikshit, nowadays 63% of total candidates become IS are engineers because of CSAT level. No, 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 no. CSAT has got nothing to do with engineering. Let me tell you that. Do you think I'm an engineer? I'm a mechanical engineer. All right. And I've taught mathematics in engineering colleges as well. All right. I have trained for IIT JEE also. Don't worry. But my point is, I am telling you, this has got nothing to do with engineering maths. These are what? Even odd. Do you think in engineering this is what is taught? Oh, in engineering it is triple integration, derivatives, Laplace transformation, higher level maths is taught. This is basic level maths. CSAT is going to test you on basic levels mathematics. So it is incorrect that engineers they are good at mathematics. That is why they solve it. No, engineers maybe they are good at problem solving skills because they have got that much of exposure. Right, because of the subjects that they deal with are much more, they desire much more of output and extract most out of the engineer. That is why his brain has worked a lot. But as far as the level of the questions go, these are basics, even plus even. Tell me which class this was taught to you. Fifth, sixth, maybe third, fourth, even number, odd number. Huh? If you pick up NCRT books, this would be given in third, fourth, fifth standard, sixth standard, maybe. So CSAT tests you on mathematics till 10th standard, and that too much lesser than that. Previously also, the questions that you have seen are all based on addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, so CSAT guy is stressing on your IQ level, and trust me, it is not necessary that an engineer will have a good IQ. It's nothing to do with mathematics. Please know this. All right. Look at this question now. Consider the following in respect of prime numbers P and composite number C. So P is what? Prime number. C is what? Composite number. Now P plus C divided by P minus C can be even. Is it possible? Possibility, he's saying. Can it be even? Yes, why not? Okay, let me take example as 11 plus 9 by 11 minus 9. It can be even. Otherwise also, you assume that prime number is an odd number. Your composite number is also odd. Now you tell me odd plus odd by odd minus odd. What will it give you? Odd plus odd is even. Odd minus odd is even. It can give you an even, right? It can give you an even. Correct or not? Can. And I've taken an example also here. Okay, so one is correct. 2p plus c can be odd. Why not? See, again the same thing I'm saying, taking 2p. 11 is a prime number. Plus c. 9 is a composite number. So that is 22 plus 9. That is equal to 31, which is odd. So it can be. Possibility is there. Very much, sir. It is there. PC can be odd. Yes, 11 into 9 is 99, which is an odd number. It can be an odd number. So this was the easiest question. So just imagine this is the easiest question in CSAT. One of the easiest questions in CSAT. That is how it goes. So number system questions require a lot of practice. That is there. Okay, sir. Now this is a question which is based on multiplication. Now, how good you are at multiplication and you know how observant you are about multiplication is what it tests in you. So this has got nothing to do with engineering, sir. So a three-digit number ABC, ABC on multiplication with D, multiplied with D, gives 37DD. 37DD. ABCD are different, non-zero digits. Non-zero digits are from 1 to 9. What is the value of A plus B plus C? Now, I just want you people to notice something. What is A into D? A into D obviously will consist of the first two digits with a carryover maybe. A carryover maybe. It is how much? 37. Can it be 8 into 5? 40? No. What else it could be? If it is giving you 37, so you know that A here cannot be 1 and D here cannot be 37, no? Because 37 is what? It is a prime number. Alright, so definitely there is a carryover for sure, and A into D is definitely equal to 36. Meghna, how can we have 1 into 37? These are digits. A, B, C, D are non-zero digits. 37 is not a digit. It is a two-digit number. Alright, so the values here can be only from 1 to 9. Digits are 1 to 9. Non-zero digits. So I can't have 37 here, no. So that is why A into D has to be 36 there. Okay. So what are the values it can have? We can't have 6 into 6 as 36, no. Because these are different non-zero digits. A and D both cannot be 6. So only other way that I see here is 9 into 4 is 36. Or 4 into 9 is 36. I don't know which one is what. I don't know. I don't know. So A is 9, D is 4, or A is 4 and D is 9. Okay. So let us test. You have just two things to do. So let me first assume A as 4 and D as 9. Let us try. Assume. So now what do you have? 4BC into 9 is equal to 3799. Now 3799, is it divisible by 9? 3799, if you divide by 9, you will get the number, no? But 3799, is it divisible by 9? No. What is the divisibility rule for 9? Divisibility rule for 9 is that sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. 3 plus 7, 10 plus 9, 19 plus 9, 28. 28 is not divisible by 9. So that means that this is wrong. Our assumption here goes wrong. All right, so let us do the next assumption. So assume A to be 9 and D, अरे क्या हो रहा है ये? D to be 4. Now you have 9BC into 4 as 3744. So find out this number. Easy, no? Divide 3744 by 4. So 4 and 3744. 4 nines are, see, 36. So 14. So 3s are 12. So 24. So 4, 6 are 24. You got the number 936. Okay. So 9 plus 3 plus 6 is nothing, but it is 18. So you just have to do a little bit of hit and trial and you should get an idea. 37 A into D could be 36 only because 37 is a prime number. So A or D cannot be 1. Right? Can't have 1 into 37. Other way around, it could be 36. And there is a carryover from B. Okay. So that is why 36 is becoming 37. So 6 into 6 is 36, but I can't take 6 into 6 because these are different integers. So the other way around is 4 into 9. So let us try put A equal to 9, A equal to 4 and D is equal to 9. Does it work out? No. Then do it the other way around. A is equal to 9 and D is equal to 4. You get your answer. You tell me, Pooja. You tell me. You tell me if this 3-digit number is multiplied with D and you're getting 37 here, what number will you get? Will you get as A into D? Can you get it as 37? No. So A into D has to be 36, no? What is 37? Pooja, what is 37? It's a prime number. So can I have 1 into 37? Can A be 37? It's a digit, not a number. Can D be 37? No. 1 into 37 is equal to 37. But I can't have A or D as 37. So now I will obviously take a number lesser, 36. And then there is a carryover of 1 here, as you can see. Now multiply this, no, 936 into 4. What do you get? 6 fours are 24. 2. 6 threes are 12 and 2. 14. So 1 carryover. See, 4 nines are 36 plus 1, 37. So that is why I chose 36. 37 is a prime number, no? Okay. How you get C is equal to 6? I did not get C is equal to 6. I just divided 3744 by 4. Then I got this value. And then I found out C is equal to 6. Yeah, if 9BC into 4 is equal to 3744, then 9BC is what? It is equal to 3744 by 4 only, no? So I performed the division, I got 29936. And then I came to know this is A, this is anyhow, I had assumed A, this is B, this is C. Worked out. Clear, Sushmita? It is after division I found that C is 6. Okay. So more number of questions need to be solved actually. This is a damn simple question. I mean, just use your common sense and you're done. Just use your common sense. There are 4 letters and 4 envelopes. So 4 envelopes are, let us say, A, B, C, D. And 4 letters are A, B, C, D. Chota A, B, C, D. Exactly one letter is to be put in exactly one envelope with the correct address. So correct address it has to be. If the letters are randomly inserted without looking, they're inserted into the envelopes, then consider the following statements. It is possible that exactly one letter goes into an incorrect envelope. It is possible that exactly one letter goes into an incorrect envelope. Is it possible? 3 letters will get into correct envelope and one will get into incorrect envelope when there are only 4 envelopes. Is it possible? If A is going into A, B is going into B, C is going into D, then the remaining D will go into the correct envelope of D only, no? Huh? So exactly one letter goes into incorrect envelope is incorrect. That is wrong. There are only 6 ways in which only 2 letters can get into the correct envelope. Yes, let us say those 2 correct envelopes could be AB, right? AC, AD, BC, BD, CD. Any 2 pairs. How many pairs of envelopes can be formed? Only 6, no? So in AB, two letters can go into correct envelopes. Maybe AB are the correct envelopes. Maybe AC are correct envelopes. Maybe AD are correct envelopes. Maybe BC or BD or CD are correct envelopes. So correct envelopes, there are only 6 ways in which 2 letters can be put into correct envelopes, or let us say there are 2 envelopes which are having correct letters. Okay, so 2 is correct. So that is choice B is the answer. Dipender, you just now saw 1 is incorrect. So why are you giving C as the answer, beta? Himanshu. Himanshu. There are 4 envelopes, A, B, C, D. And the statement says, second statement, there are only 6 ways in which 2 letters can go into correct envelopes. 2 letters into correct envelopes. Which could be those 2 correct envelopes? Tell me. Out of A, B, C, D, which could be those 2 correct envelopes? Either AB or AC or AD or BC or BD or CD. There are only 6 combinations of 2 envelopes that we can form. Himanshu. Hey, Himanshu. Himan. Yes, you got it. Shabash. देखो अब. Oh, well, this was one of the easiest questions actually. If ABC and DEF are both three-digit numbers, such that ABCDEF are distinct. Distinct means different. Non-zero. Non-zero means 1 to 9 digits, such that ABC plus DEF is 1, 1, 1, 1. What is the value of ABCDEF? What is the value of ABCDEF? Addition. Why A is incorrect, Pooja? If three letters, there are four letters and four envelopes. If three letters get into three correct envelopes, then fourth one will also get into correct envelope. No, you are four friends. You are four friends. All right. And you go in a street and there are only four houses in the street. Each house belongs to one friend, one of you four. If three of your friends they go into their own house, then you are the fourth person and there is only one house remaining. Won't you be going to your own house? There were four houses. There are you and your three friends, four friends. These four houses belong to four friends. If three friends go into correct house, their house, then the fourth one will also go into her house, no? Or she will go into incorrect house. Because the four houses belong to the four friends. Are you clear now, Pooja? Four houses belong to the four friends. Okay. So three friends get into their own house. Fourth one will also go into her house, no? How can she get into the incorrect house? अरे ये क्या किया मैंने आंसर दे दिया. See here, there is no need to find out the values of A, B, C, D, E, F. That is what is bothering you. But I have to find out the value of A, B, C, D, E, F. It is so difficult. You don't have to. You are making it difficult. You are adopting a difficult procedure. Okay, tell me from here. Tell me how much is C plus F? How much is C plus F? Absolutely. It is 11, sir. All right, tell me. How much will be B plus E? How much is B plus E? Obviously 10. So that there is a carryover of 1 here. So 10 plus 1 becomes 11. And then 1 is put here. Okay. Then how much is A plus D? That is also 10 because there is one carryover from here. So what is this? A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F? 31. No. You're simply adding the RHS, you get 31. You simply add the LHS, then it is A, B, C, D, E, F. Sum of all these 6 digits. Okay. And that is exactly what we have to find out here. Understood? So this was a simple question actually. You don't need to find out the value of A, B, C, D, E, F every time. What is the sum of all 4-digit numbers less than 2000 formed by the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 where none of the digits is repeated? You have to form 4-digit numbers with 1, 2, 3, 4 less than 1000, less than 2000 and take their addition. This was a bakwas question. If the numbers are less than 2000, that what number will occupy the 1000th position? Less than 2000. Which digit will occupy the 1000th position? Ah, lovely, you got it. So 1 comes here. What remains? 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 3, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 2, 3. Okay, na? 6 numbers can be formed so easily. Add. 4 and 3, 7 and 11, 13, 15 and 3, 18. So 1 carryover. So 4 and 4 and 2, 10 and 17 and 19. 1 here. So 5, 8, 11 and this is again 9. So 1 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 9, 9, 8. That should be the correct answer. That is it. It was such a simple question. Correct. You got it. You got it. Very correct. Quite a simple question. Okay, look at this question again. So all these multiplication type questions you should attempt actually. Okay. So let me have the number here as AB and CD are 2-digit numbers. Multiplying AB and CD. So AB into CD results in a 3-digit number DEF. So you get a number DEF. Now adding DEF to another 3-digit number GHI. So add this to another number GHI results in 975. So you get a 975. Okay. Further, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I are distinct digits. Distinct means different. And E is 0. E is already given to you here as 0. F is also given to you. F is 8. Okay, so in place of E, let us put 0. In place of F, let us put 8. Okay, so what is A plus B plus C equal to? But don't you think that you can start from here? 8 and I is 5. So 8 plus I is equal to 5. Is it? I is minus 3. It must be a 2-digit number, no? What is 2-digit number? Has to be 15. So what is the value that I can take? Tell me, what is the value of I? So Himanshu, that is a simple process which I am following. Has to be 7. Okay. I'm responding to Himanshu's query with 1, 2, 3, 4. How is it that I am writing the numbers very fast? I know that the first digit is 1, less than 2000. This is less than 2000, so it has to start with 1. Other digits are 2, 3, and 4. So first I place 2 here. Now what is it that I'm left with? 3 and 4. So once 3 and 4, and once 4 and 3. Now 2 I have used in the second place. Now I'm using 3 in the second place. Now what is it that I'm left with? 2 and 4. So once 2 and 4, once 4 and 2. So next time I use 4 here. I'm left with 2 and 3. So once 2 and 3, other time 3 and 2. Over. Get it? For the previous question. So I here is 7. So 8 plus 7. So I we got here as 7. Lovely. So that is how you get 5. You get 5, so you have a carryover 1 here. This is 0. Okay. So 1 plus h is equal to 7. So definitely h here has to be equal to what? 6 only. Yes. Correct. You got this. You got this. You got this. D plus G is 9. Alright, there are various ways in which, D plus G is equal to 9. Okay, can I have 1 plus 8? Oh no, F already has 8. F is already equal to 8. Huh? So this is wrong. Okay, then I'll have 2 and 7. Huh? Oh, I is already 7. I is already 7, so this is wrong. Okay, I'll take 3 plus 6. Oh, H is already 6. So even this does not work out. Okay, then I'll take 4 and 5. Huh? Do I have a 4 or 5 adopted by anyone? No, not as yet. Okay, so it is 4 plus 5. Now see, can D be equal to 5? Look here. B into D is equal to, 8 or a number which ends in 8. My point is, can you have B into 5 into a number? If I do B into 5, then I have to have the number ending in 5 only. Or 0. Alright, so 5 or 0. Can't have 8, no? So for sure, D is not equal to 5. Okay, so take D equal to 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. So I'm taking this as 4. Okay, so taking this as 4 and taking this as 5. So D here is 4, G here is 5. Okay, 4 into what will give you 8? 4 into 7 is 28, but 7 is already occupied by I. So B here must be what? 4 2s are 8. So B here is 2. B here is 2. Correct? Yes. Okay, now what are the other numbers left for A and C? Huh? What are the numbers left? Don't guess for A and C. See, you have 1 left. Okay. 2 is here. 3 is left. 4 is here. 5 is here. 6, 7, 8, and 9 is also left. So A and C are equal to 139. Out of these 3 digits, 2 must occupy. And he's asking you A plus B plus C. Can any of the digits A and C be equal to 9? Because then A plus B plus C will become more than 9. If A is 9 or C is 9, then A plus B plus C will become greater than 9. And look at the choices, no? This is the greatest choice. Huh? Largest number. So A cannot be equal to 9. Neither C can be equal to 9. So A plus B plus C will be equal to, see, B I know is 2. A and C could be anything out of 1 and 3. Okay, so that the total here becomes 6. So just using common sense. I mean, such questions actually, previously such questions used to come when Infosys used to conduct its campus placement. Okay, in various engineering colleges when it would go. So such questions would appear in campus placement test. Again, so many engineers were not able to solve this. Why? Because these are basics. So they are also testing you only on logic and IQ level. How good is your grasping? Okay, and if at all you're not able to solve right now, this is absolutely normal. It is okay. You can't solve right now everything. Okay, so let me tell you something here. That first thing is, if you understand 50% of the things in the class, job done. Second, revise PDF. After that, you'll get 20% more you will understand. Okay, and if required, watch the video. All right. So you will be able to understand 10 to 20% more. You might have missed on certain things. And this, obviously, when you practice from exercises and mocks, the remaining portion comes to you. And PYQs. So that is a process of learning. That is how you get a good grip on a concept. All right. It is not that sir ne sikhaya, sir taught us, so I did not understand. I'm finding it tough. See, the whole point is that you have just started. So that is why it seems tough for you. But beta, करना है तो करना है. अब ये सोचो कैसे करना है. बनना है तो बनना है. अब ये सोचो कैसे बनना है. ऑफिसर है कि नहीं? Okay. So we will not be left behind, in this race or in this competitive examination or in this life. So we will put in more. We will work hard. Okay. We will give whatever it takes. So if this is the requirement, all right, let us solve 5-10 questions, from the exercise booklet. You will be able to solve such questions. Then you will able to develop the knack. कई बार क्या होता है, times it happens that after fourth, fifth question only you say, अच्छा, okay, this is how it was. That is normal. That is normal. It is not that it is necessary, compulsory that in the first instance itself you should be able to master the topic or understand the topic. No, get a grip of it. These sessions are to guide you, to give you concepts. Obviously, how does a concept get registered into your mind? By practice, by constant revision. Okay, continuously revising and practicing. This is how you catch hold of things, right? So don't worry, it will come to you. Officer तो बनना है, बात कर रहा हूँ भाई. Okay. Was नहीं, it is still going on. Akshay. Acha. Still, some of you are in doubt, sir. How do we solve such questions in 1.5 minutes? You will not be able to solve it in 1.5 minutes. But in 1.5 minutes, at least take a decision. If in 1.5 minutes you feel that if I spend some more time, I will be able to solve this question, all right, spend another 1 to 2 minutes also. Get the answer in 3 minutes, no problem. 4 minutes, not 4 minutes, that is a little bit too high. Okay. But if in 1.5 minutes you have no clue, you do not understand which direction you have to take, all right, you are clueless, then you leave the question. That's what I meant. Solving, I can solve this, but I might take a little bit longer time. Go ahead, take longer time and solve. See, you're seeing the level of the questions. There are so many questions that you are not able to make head and tail out of. So if at all you get into a question and you feel that if I give a little bit more effort and time, I will be able to solve it, go ahead, yeah, solve it. Kya ho gaya? Huh? We are saving time, no? That way is also on some other questions as well. Okay, but it is only with practice that you will have to ensure that you attempt enough number of questions so as to qualify the exam. Practice लगेगी boss. कम से कम minimum 20 mock tests you will have to attempt. अच्छा, there are large number of silver coins weighing 2 grams, 5 grams, 10 grams, 25 grams, 50 grams. दे दो भैया, सारे दे दो, मुझे दे दो. Consider the following statements. To buy 78 gram of coins, one must buy at least 7 coins. Again, this is a question which is based on addition and multiplication. You are given 5 different numbers. Which are the numbers? 2, 5, 10, 25, 50. Can you arrange these numbers with plus, minus, or plus or multiplication so that the total becomes 78? Why not? And you have to make sure, now the statement says that you must buy at least 7. कम से कम 7 तो खरीदने पड़ेंगे कॉइन्स, और बाय है ये। इसको काउंटर करते हैं। कैसे काउंटर करेंगे? बाय दैट आई मीन, हाउ डू वी डू ऑपोजिट ऑफ दिस? आई वांट टू प्रूव दिस रॉन्ग. So what will I do is I will try to minimize the number of coins lesser than 7. So for that I will use coins of high denominations, high value. Okay. Now 50-gram coin is the largest value, so I'll take that. How many 50-gram coins can I take? 2. If I take 250-gram coins, 2 into 50 is 100 grams. But what do I want? 78 gram, no? So 50 grams into one coin I'll have to take. How much is the total now we have got? Total is 50 grams. How much left? 28 gram. Okay. So can I take 25 gram? Okay, 50 plus 25 will give me 75, and 78 minus 75 gives me 3 grams. How will I cater to 3 grams? I have just 2-gram coin. I don't have 3-gram coin. I don't have 1-gram coin. I can't. So I can't take 25. I'll have to take 10-gram coins. So let us take 10-gram coins. How many can we take? Only 2, no? 28 grams left, no? So 2 coins. So 50 gram, 1 coin gives you 50. 10 gram, 2 coins gives you 20. How many left? 8 grams left. And 8 grams can be done through 2 grams only, no? 5 gram I can't take because 3 gram I don't have. So 2-gram coins, I'll have to pick up 4 coins so as to get 8 gram here. What is the total? 78 grams. Okay. What is the total number of coins that I have here? 7 coins. 1 plus 2 plus 4. So he's right, no? When he says to buy 78 gram of coins, one must buy at least 7. Minimum 7 are required. You can't go below 7. All right. It could be more than 7, but not below 7. True? So 1 is correct. Now look at the question very carefully, the second statement. It is a little bit dicey. To weigh. Now, how do you weigh? With which thing or instrument do you weigh usually? Tell me. Tell re. You will use a weighing balance. Is it or not? Remember? Taraju. Huh? Now to weigh 78 gram using these coins, one can use less than 7 coins. Now, if I want to weigh 78 grams using these coins, one can use less than 7 coins. Let's see. Let us see. This time, what I plan to do is I'll put 2 coins of 50 grams on the left hand side. How much is the weight here? 100 grams. And you know that 100 minus 78 is 22. So here I will put 22 grams. How can I put 22 grams? 2 coins into 10 gram. How much is that? 20. 2 into 10, 20. Plus 1 coin of 2 gram. So 20 plus 2, 22 grams. Difference between the two, 78 grams. Good enough. This time you're not buying, you're weighing. And you're using a weighing scale. So if you put 100 grams on the left or 100 grams on one part, all right, and 22 grams on the other part, the difference of the two is going to be 78 grams. No, this way you can weigh 78 grams. Get it? Both 1 and 2 are correct. Sir, your weighing machine? No, 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 no. To weigh 78 gram using these coins, you have to weigh 78 grams. If you are going to weigh 78 grams, obviously you're going to do it through a weighing scale. No? Weighing scale, not weighing machine. Yeah, no other chance, Subhash. Correct. So this is what we have in our system for you. All right. So you've seen the level of questions, how much is the requirement. So it is every question you would see was testing some basic fundamental. All right. Questions were not based on calculus, trigonometry, binomial theorem. They were not difficult. They're not based on any typical type of mathematical formulas that you have learned till 10 standard or something that you were scared of. Okay. So it is just testing your IQ. Now I have a suggestion, and I'm conducting a survey here. Right. Tell me A for yes, B for no. How many of you play Sudoku? How many of you play Sudoku? How many of you play Sudoku? If you play Sudoku, mark yes as your answer. That is choice A. If you play Sudoku, please mark yes as the answer. Acha. Me. Yes, Shivani, so many questions. 42% play, other 58% don't play. Well, start playing from today. You have got so many rubbish apps on your mobile phone, right? They're not going to contribute to your career. Most of them are actually, wasting your time or wasting your money. Huh? But this is something which is going to improve your IQ, and this is what you have to uh, work on and work with throughout your life. So sharpen your axe. This is where you do the best. This is where you put in more effort. So Sudoku is a wonderful game. It improves your IQ level, and try to be fast while solving a Sudoku. Okay, it really helps. It's a very good puzzle, actually. Don't know how to play? You have lots of videos which are given on YouTube. Find out. It's damn simple, right? Every row, every column, and every square, you have to place numbers from 1 to 9. That's all. You're just placing numbers from 1 to 9. Nothing. Got it? All right, sir. So let us start with divisibility rules now. Quite simple. As such, you already know the divisibility rule for 2. Last digit of the number should be divisible by 2, or should be 02468. Divisibility rule for 3. Sum of the digits of the number should be divisible by 3. So if you have a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what will be the sum of the digits? 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 5 is 15. Again, 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 is divisible by 3. Yes, 6 is divisible by 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also will be divisible by 3. That's how it goes. Now 4. Number found by the last two digits of the original number should be divisible by 4 or should be two zeros at the end. So if I give you a number, let us say you tell me whether it is divisible by 4 or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 4. Is it divisible by 4, yes or no? We talked about the divisibility of 4 in cyclicity also. Is this divisible by 4 or not? Yes. So last two digits, 84 is divisible by 4. So hence complete number is divisible by 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, 0. Is it divisible by 4? Tell me, is it divisible by 4? Yes, last two digits. 0, 0. So it is divisible by 4. 5, you know. 5, you already know. Last digit should be 0 or 5. Last digit should be 0 or 5. 6. Number should be divisible by both 2 and 3. Or every even number which is divisible by 3 is divisible by 6. Okay. So for 6, please know that the number should be divisible by both 2 and 3. Then the number is divisible by 6. 8. The number found by the last three digits of the original number should be divisible by 8 or should be 3 zeros. Last three digits. Alright guys, have a look here. 2 power 1 means last digit should be divisible by 2 or 1, 0. Which digits are divisible by 2? 4, 2, 4, 6, 8. Or it should be 1, 0 at the end because this is 2. 2 power 2 is 4. Right? Look at the power. Here the power is 1. Here the power is 2. Alright. Power is 1, so last one digit. Power is 2, so last two digits. Hello. Should be divisible by 4 or should be 2 zeros. You have power 2, so same number of zeros. 2 power 3 is equal to 8. Now what is the power here? What is the power? Power is 3. So last three digits should be divisible by 4 or should be 3 zeros. You tell me what will be the divisibility rule for 2 power 4, that is 16. Tell me now. Hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up. Tell me. Correct? Yes. Dikshit, Shivani, Dipinder, Shilpa. Very good. Or should be how many zeros? You did not tell me, no. So last, see, what is the power of 2? It is 4. So last four digits, the number found by these should be divisible by 4 or, sorry, not divisible by 4. My fault. Wait, Ray. Just a minute. This is wrong. It's divisible by 8 and this is divisible by 16 or should be 4 zeros. Okay. So similarly, you can find out for 2 power 5 also. So 9. 9 is similar to 3. What is the divisibility rule for 3? Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Then the number is divisible by 3. Similarly, for 9, the sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. We had discussed this in a question previously. Okay. 10, you anyhow know the last digit should be a 0. That's not an issue. Okay. All right, sir. 11. The difference between the sum of the digits in even places and in the odd places should be a multiple of 11 or be 0. Now, what I mean here is, I'll give you a number. Let us say 4092. Is it divisible by 11 or not? Don't divide, don't divide, don't divide. Don't divide, my dear. 4 and 9. 4 plus 9 has to be 13. And 0 and 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. Now see, 13 and this is 2. The difference between these two, 13 minus 2, is equal to 11. Alright? So the difference between the sum of the numbers in the odd places and in the even places. Okay? Difference between the two should be a multiple of 11 or should be 0. Okay, sir. 1, 3, 3, 1. Do you recognize this number? What is 1331? You recognize this number? See, 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. And 4 minus 4 is 0. And this 1331, by the way, let me tell you, is 11 cube. I hope you know. Alright? So, the difference between the sum of the digits in even places and in the odd places should be a multiple of 11 or should be 0. Now 12. When do you say a number is divisible by 12? Why it is not 6 and 2? The number should be divisible by both 3 and 4. Why 3 and 4? Why not 6 and 2? Why not 6 and 2? No, what do you mean, Karan? What about the number is in odd? That is no pairs. Oh, you're saying this, I have taken 4-digit numbers. Oh, that doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. Trust me. Okay, let us say 40920. So what? Still, huh? Sum here is how much? 13. Still, you get 2 here. If it is not 0, let us say this is 8 and this is 1. Then also the sum is 13. Could be anything. It doesn't matter whether you have 4-digit number, 5-digit number, or 6-digit number, or 7-digit number. The number of digits could be even or odd. You can have 4-digit number, you can have the same in 5-digit numbers also. Same rule. I asked you a question, guys. Are you there, by the way? No. People are sleeping. And this is how you become IAS, IPS officer. This is how you live your dream, by dreaming while sleeping. Huh? Come on, get up, officer. On your toes. Wash your face. Take a sip of water. All right? Shake your head and fight for your future. Now, see, for 12, we will factorize. So it is 1 into 12. It is 2 into 6. It is 3 into 4. Okay. Please know that we will choose only those pairs which are co-primes. Which are co-primes. Remember, I explained co-primes to you yesterday. 1 and 12 HCF is 1. 2 and 6 HCF is 2. 3 and 4 HCF is 1. Although for 1 and 12 the HCF is 1, but you will not consider it because you can't say that a number is divisible by 12 if it is divisible by 1 and 12. Or what sense does that make, right? So this is out. So we choose the pair actually where the two numbers given to you are co-primes. 3 and 4. Consecutive numbers, remember, they are co-primes. So that is why. 14 is 2 and 7, 15 is 3 and 5. You tell me for 24. When do you say a number is divisible by 24? What is the divisibility rule for 24? Come on, guys, hurry up. Come on, guys. 24. No, forget about it. 7, 13, 17, 19, all these prime numbers, forget about it. You will be faster if at all you divide by the number itself. 3 and 4, Prithvi. See, we are choosing co-primes. Remember? These are what? Co-primes. So 24 is 1 into 24. HCF is 1. But anyhow, we don't choose 24. 2 into 12. HCF is 2. Not accepted. 3 into 8. HCF is 1. Yes, correct. 4 into 6. HCF is 2. Not accepted. So 3 and 8 is what we have. So if a number is to be divisible by 24, it must be divisible by 3 and 8. Sorry. Yeah. I just now told you, Dipinder. I told Abhinav I have already answered. 7, 13, 17, 19, all these prime numbers, divisibility rules are there, but they are really tough and time consuming. It is better if you divide the number by 13 or by 7. It will be faster. Now, look at this question. It appeared in CSAT 2021. The number 3798125P 369 is divisible by 7. What is the value of the digit P? Simple. Just divide by 7. So question is given to you based on division. How can we leave this? Okay. All right. So let me just conduct the division here. 3798125. I'm indicating P here separately. And then 369. This is to be divided by 7. Okay, let us conduct the division. So when you conduct the division, you don't need to find out the quotient here. Okay, so goes by 35. So 29 goes by 28. So 1, 8, 18. So goes by 14. So 1, 41. 35. So 6. So goes by 2. So 56. 6 and this is 5. So 63. I get a reminder too. No, I can't take down P here, no. So now our calculation should reduce to 7 dividing 2 P 369. Why? Because you would have taken down this P, no? Had it been a value, and you would have put here 2P. Correct? So why to conduct it again and again? So what is the value of digit P? It is 1679. The value is going to be one out of these 4 numbers, right? Clear, no? So let me try 1. Okay, so choice A. P is equal to 1. Let's try this. Then what do you have? 7, 2, 1. Alright, this is P. 369. So 21 goes by 21. So 0, 0, then 3, then 6, then 35, then 1, and 9. 9 is not divisible by 7. So choice A is incorrect. Okay, let's try for choice B. P is equal to 6. 7 divides 2, 6. See, this time this is P. 369. Goes by 21. So 5, 53, 49, 46, 42, 49. Yes, 49 is divisible by 7. So P has to be equal to 6 over. This much time only you need to take. Quite a simple question, I believe. Alright, got it? Yes, are you understanding this? I just need a poll. I need to know how many of you are awake actually. Alright, sir, tell me. Is this clear? Have you understood? Please mark A as the answer if you have understood. %, lovely. See another divisibility rule of 7. Not rule, divide by 7. That's it. When a certain number, do you know the number? No. Certain number means what? Number is not known. So whatever is not known in maths, we call it x. Correct? So when a certain number is multiplied, so x is multiplied by 7. So what does it become? It becomes 7x. The product entirely, completely, entirely means completely. Comprises means consists of ones only, so digit 1. Okay, so what he's saying is when 7 is multiplied with x, what do you get as a number which is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Don't know how many ones, dot, 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 dot is given. Okay, but whatever is the product, it has only digit 1 in it. Okay, so from this you can know the x is nothing but 1, 1, 1, 1 divided by 7. That's it. So let's try. Divide this by 7 and then see. So 7 ones are 7. Yes, sir. Okay, so you get a 4, 41. So 7 fives are 35. So you get a 6. So 61. 7 eights are 56. So 4. Not 4, sorry, 5. But why do you worry? I mean, 158 is given here, no? That is the answer. But if still you want to carry it out, go ahead. 5 and this is 1. Okay, so 7 sevens are 49. So 2, take another 1 here. Take it down 21. So 7 threes are is 21. So 15873 should be the correct answer. Okay, that is one way. Other ways you could have multiplied these number with 7 and then found out. No, 7. 7 threes are 21. So 2. 7 ones are 7 plus 2, 9. No, 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 no. It should have only one, digit 1. So this you multiply with 7 threes are 21. 2, 7 twos are 14 and 2, 16. No, 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 no. 7 threes are 21. So 2, 7 eights are 56 and 2, 58. No, 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 no. But here you see, now you find 7 threes are 21. 2. 7 sevens are 49 plus 2, 51. So 5. 7 eights are 56 plus 5, 61. So 6. 7 fives are 35 plus 6, 41. So 4. 7 ones are 7 plus 4, 11. You're getting this with D. Either ways, you could have solved the question. Largest number is to find means what? I'm not getting your question. Don't frame your own questions. All right. Don't frame your own questions, my dear. What do you mean by largest number is to be found? Because this is smallest number. Largest number means infinity. Why will he ask you the largest number? Okay, tell me largest number divisible by 2. Asif. You can't know. So he will ask you whatever is possible. Smallest he is asking you because smallest only you can find out. Largest you can't find out. It is infinity. No, Dipender, wrong. It should entirely comprise of one. No, no, no problem, Asif. Don't say sorry here. Okay, it's absolutely all right. CSAT 2020. Now, see, you've got to be smart here. Okay, because you will have to factorize all these and then solve. Okay, you need to be just smart here. Obviously, you are not supposed to multiply these numbers. What is the remainder? When 51 into 27 into 35 into 62 into 75 is divided by 100. See, do you have a 2 here? 31 into 2, no? Yes. And you have a 5 here also, no? Yes or no? Arre, 5 into 15, right? And didn't I tell you at the beginning itself 2 into 5 is equal to 2 into 5 is equal to 10, you must remember. What? Okay. And didn't I ask you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 divided by 100? What will be the remainder? Tell me. What will be the remainder? 9. Come on, Parshuram. No. Sakti. Has to be the last two digits, no? I told you, no? Number of zeros are 2. So dividing by 100. So last two digits. Divide by 1000, last three digits. Divide by 10, last digit. Okay. So that means that this number, whatever number you are getting here, its last digit is going to be 0. And when this is divided by 100, the last digit is going to be 0 in the remainder. For sure. So it is 0 only in one choice. That is the answer. Get it? Yeah. So I have been, I have pointed this out at the beginning of the class itself. 2 into 5 is 10, something that you must stick to. Okay. Now see, this is a classic question testing your basics. But it is disguised and structured in such a way so as to intimidate you and scare you. Right? How many 5-digit prime numbers? Arre wah. We don't remember 3-digit prime numbers and 2-digit prime numbers. You are asking us 5-digit prime number. Can be obtained by using all the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repetition. Tell me how many 5-digit prime numbers will be found. Very good, Ravi. Very good, Dipinder. Wow. Good, Ravi. Explanation. Correct, Subhash. Yes, Aniket. Yes, Vaishnavi. Correct, Dikshit. Yes, Shilpa. Ananya, please check, beta. Yes, Yara. Brajneet, 99. 99 is not given amongst the choices also. Rama Devi, please check. Subhash, check your explanation. Yes, Ashish. Yes, Sapti. Yes. Brajneet, you need to check. Ananya, no. No, Asif. Asif, no. Polukonda, yes. No Tulsi. Yes, Shahid. No Parshuram. Yes, Usna. Oh, sir, simple as that. If you're going to form any five digit number with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, huh? If you're going to form any five digit number with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the sum of the digits is 15, which is divisible by 3. So the number is going to be divisible by 3. But if it is divisible by 3, it can't be a prime number. So now see, did he actually mean, did he actually mean you to find out five digit prime numbers? Did he want you to do that? Obviously not. What was he testing you on? Divisibility rule of 3. See? Such a simple question. है ना? और how many integers are there between 1 and 100? This I want you to solve, guys. Come on. Which have 4 as a digit but are not divisible by 4. Come on. So how many integers are there between 1 and 100 which have 4 as a digit but are not divisible by 4? Come on. Come on, guys. नहीं अक्षय चेक करो यार तुम क्या कर रहे हो आता हुआ क्वेश्चन गलत कर रहे हो No Dipenda, no Vaishnavi. Yes, Krishna. No Sakti, no Mehna. No Akshay. No Dikshit. No Asif. No Brasjit. No Dikshit. No Sandeep. Yes, Yara. No Ravi. Oh my God. You have a counting problem or what? See, what are you missing? What are you missing? So what would you do? You will write down all the numbers which have digit 4 in it. So write down 4, 14, 24, 34. All right. Then after that 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, then 54, all right, 64, 74, 84, 94. These are the numbers which have 4 as a digit. But we also want not divisible by 4. So what should we do? We will remove all those numbers which are divisible by 4. Which are the numbers divisible by 4? 4, 24, 2 numbers are there. Okay, and how many numbers are these? By the way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 16 and 3, 19 numbers are there. So 40 is also gone, 44 gone, 48 gone, 64 gone, 84 gone. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 19 minus 7, 12. Please see where you committed an error. Find out. See, locating the place where you committed an error is where your learning happens because you will never repeat it again. You have identified your erroneous zone where you had committed an error. 34 I missed. See? Okay. Now, always read the question and divide it into small bits, small pieces, and deal with each piece separately. Okay, just don't read through the question. No, 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 no. This is mathematics, not reading comprehension. So you have to be careful with every word. Consider all three-digit numbers. All three-digit numbers are from 100 to 999. Without repetition of digits. Okay, 999, I can't have 333, 343, and all those things. Obtained using three non-zero digits. Okay, non-zero digits are from 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which are multiples of 3. Acha. Non-zero digits which are multiples of 3 are only 3, no? 3, 6, and 9. Ho gaya. So three-digit numbers, okay, which are multiples of 3, such kind of non-zero digits, 3, 6, 9. So you have to consider all three-digit numbers that can be made with digits which are multiples of 3, that is 3, 6, and 9. Okay. Let S be their sum. Okay, let's do this. So we can form numbers, no? First you have 3, then you are left with 6, 9. So 3, 6, 9, 3, 9, 6. So 6, 3, 9, 6, 9, 3. 9, 3, 6, 9, 6, 3. So add all these. So 2 nines, 2 6, and 2 3s. So 9 plus 3 plus 6 is 18. 18 twos are 36. So this is 36. I'm taking the sum S. So 3 is carry over. Again, this is 36 plus 3, 39. 3 is carry over. Again, this is 36 plus 3 is 39. So 3996 is what you get. Now he says this is your sum. S is their sum. He says S is always divisible by 74. Is it? Let's find out. 3996 divided by 74. Well, it will go by 5, right? So 4 5s are 20, 7 5s are 35, 37. Alright, so 9 and this is 2, 296. Evidently it is 4, right? 4 4s are 16 and 7 4s are 28. Plus 1, 29. So this is 296. Yes, it goes completely. Okay. So it is, yes, it is divisible by 74. It is divisible by 74. Now S is always divisible by 9, is it? Yes. 3 plus 9 plus 9 plus 6 is 27, which is divisible by 9. So yes, S is divisible by 9, both 1 and 2. Is this clear? CSAT 2022. One thing for sure, he doesn't want you to multiply 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Something else is happening here. Beta, didn't I tell you that you have to be careful and keep an eye open for 91? Remember, 91 is 13 into 7, yes or no? Huh? Alright? And here, this is divided by 1261. And 91 is 13 into 7. So let us see if 1261 is divisible by 13. Try, no? Because I know there is a number which is divisible by 13. I would like to perform some cuttings. When you perform the cuttings between numerator and denominator, you cut the numbers by common numbers. Common numbers only. Alright. So here we go. 13 nines are 117. So 9. So 1. Oh, this you know. 13 sevens are 19. So 13 into 97. So what you have here is 91 into 92 into whatever. Alright. 97 into 98 into 99 by 1261. Then let us perform some cuttings. This goes by 13 by 97. This goes by 13 by 7. Also 97, 97, I have to cut here. Over. Okay. And he's asking you remainder. So it is completely exactly divisible by 1261. No? So remainder obviously is 0. So this is very clear to you. It's quite simple, as you can see here. Now see again a simple question. CSAT 2023. Simple division. For any choices of value xyz, the 6-digit number of the form xyz is divisible by. Any choice. It is divisible by 7, 11, 13. So what should I do? Can I assume a number here? Give me a number. Give me a number. XYZ, XYZ. Take some values and give me a number. Come on. This is the first number that comes to our mind, Dikshit. Anna? Yes, yes, Rajdeep. So let's do it. Yes, Shilpa. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let me just try whether it is divisible by 7 or not. Okay, so it is 7, 12 minus 7 is 5, 53, 49, 41, so 35. So here this is what? One I had taken, so 62. So 56, so 63. Yes, it is divisible. So 7 it is divisible by. So 11 and 13 only cannot be the answer. So try with 13. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 13 nines are 117, right? So 61 goes by 52. So you have 9 here. So 92 goes by 91. So 1 and 3. Yes, sir. It is divisible by 13. Okay, so 13 is there. So this is out. Check for 12. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You don't need to here. Come on. 1 plus 3 plus 2 is 6. Okay. 2 plus 1 plus 3 is also 6. 6 minus 6 gives you a 0. Choice B is the answer, sir. मोनिका देखो कहाँ पे गलती हुई है. Where did you commit an error? See, any number of XYZ order is definitely divisible by 11. Definitely. How? अरे बाबा देखो X plus Z plus Y. Okay. Then Y and X and Z. Y plus X plus Z. Here both difference is 0, no? They're same, no? If you have a number X, Y, Y, X, this is also divisible by 11. Please know this. How? This is X plus Y, sum of the alternate numbers. And this is also Y plus X. Both are same. So anyhow, this was easily divisible by 11. Okay, so choice D here is the correct answer. Hello. I told you this is the third question where you see 91. True? And didn't I tell you this? 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 5 square into 2 square is equal to 100. Yes or no? Did I tell you this or not? Sir, here you have a 5. Isn't it so? 17 into 5. Huh? Here also you have a 5. 19 into 5. Okay. And here itself, what is it that you have? Huh? You have 24 fours. So that is 32. Yeah, 32 into 3. That is 2 power 5 into 3. Okay. So 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. 5 twos are there. So combine these, no? 2 fives get combined with 2 twos. So 5 square into 2 square, you get 100. So what is the remainder when this number, alright, whatever this is there, product has last two zeros, last two digits as zeros, and when this is divided by 0, remainder is also 0. Last two digits are 0, 0, na? I attempted and got this one correct in exam. Correct. Very good, Shivani. Okay, so we're done with this. I think, yeah, it is 5-2. So let us catch up at, I've given you 3 minutes. We're going behind, right? So let us catch up at 5:35. All right, break. Okay, I ate into your 3 minutes, so I'm giving you those 3 minutes extra. All right. So 5:35, 5:36. Kind of, it is already 5:3. Okay, 5:36. Hardly matters, right? We are here to study. Come on, guys. Let's catch up at 5:36.